Craving that flame-grilled flavor, but not the full price tag? We're diving deep into the Burger King app to unlock all the secret savings. Alright, first things first. Make sure you have the Burger King app downloaded and installed on your phone. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play Store to get it once you're in. Create an account or log into an existing one. This is crucial because most of the deals are tied to your BK Royal Perks account. Now, the real money saving begins. Tap the Offers tab. This is your treasure trove of Burger King discounts. Scroll through to see what's available. You might find deals like buy an Eggaton free Whoppers, discounts on specific meals, or even free items with a purchase. Pay close attention to the BK Royal Perks exclusives. These are personalized deals just for app users, and they often refresh weekly, so check back regularly. Be sure to activate the deals you want to use by tapping the Add to Mobile Order button. Don't forget about points. With BK Royal Perks, you earn points on every purchase. These points add up quickly and can be redeemed for free menu items. Keep an eye on your points balance in the app to see what freebies you've unlocked. Customizing your order is another way to subtly save. Instead of adding extra ingredients that cost more, consider swapping ingredients you don't like for something you do. This can sometimes be free, or at least cheaper than adding extras. Finally, when you're ready to order, either order through the app for pickup or scan your Royal Perks code at the register. Be sure to ask if there are any additional location-specific coupons available. Saving money on Burger King is all about being a smart app user. Enjoy your savings.